Our country name is India. Our state name is Karnataka. Our district name is Karnataka. Our city name is Hubli. Our national anthem is Our national song is Our national symbol is Our prime minister is Our chief minister is Our president is Our national animal is National fruit is National flower is National river is Our national flag is Our national flag color is Our national fruit is Our national vegetable is Our national tree is Our national flower is